Hey guys, today we will discuss about how to build up a strong confidence towards English language. In this session, we will take some comments, live arguments, and will be handle live session. And will be discuss how we can build up a strong confidence towards English language. So today it's our main topic how we can build up a strong confidence while speaking English, while learning English with other peoples. We will go to live call. We will add some people in live calls. We will how to build up a strong confidence while we speak English in relatives, in friends, whatever we are doing right now. But we have to speak in every situation because why we need to speak English? Because English is an international language. It's necessary in every situation we have to speak. And whatever we are student right now, we are doing job or whatever we are doing, but we have to speak. So today my main topics how we can build up a strong confidence towards English. I will add some people in my live session and I will take your comments how we can build up a strong confidence while we speak English, while we listen English.
Hello,
Hi
Assalamu
guys.
alaikum.
Walaikum salam. Hello brother.
Hi, bro. How are
How are
you?
you? I am
Yeah,
fine.
I'm absolutely fine. What about you?
I am
Yeah,
also
from where
fine.
you
From
are?
where? I am from Pakistan,
Okay, from which city?
Lahore. From where you are?
Okay, I'm in Lahore also, but I'm from Gujranwala basically.
So it's good. So,
Yeah,
brother, our today topic is that how we can improve our English and how we can build up a strong confidence towards people because we have some fears in our
yeah,
mind.
of
We have
course.
some depression. How we can get rid from it?
Yeah, of course. It's a common problem in our society, especially in Pakistan, India, like other Asian countries we have.
Yes. So,
Yeah.
our main topic, how to get rid from it. How we can get it from depression, from fears while speaking English, while doing seminars, while attending seminars. Our main suggestion and main discussion of this topic, how we can get rid from it.
Yeah, we obviously we can get rid of it, from this by practice, by making conversation in our class, in some community, in our groups. Like, yeah, it's my suggestion, but others can be possible.
Yes, it's good suggestion. uh, Basically I suggest that this is a basic level and it's necessary for everyone to
Yeah,
make a good confidence towards English, Arabic or Urdu language. It's necessary for everyone. Practice makes them perfect.
yeah.
Yeah.
Obviously, if we talk about all the competitive exams, we have to improve our conversation skills as well as writing skills in English. So English is very common in our society in Pakistan. Do you think the same thing?
Yes.
Yeah,
Yes,
good.
all right. Are you a student?
Yeah, I'm a BS student, BS English. I'm doing in first semester. This year I've taken admission. Yeah.
Good.
What about
Well
you?
done.
Yeah.
uh, I am also a student of graduate.
Okay.
I
Uh,
am also a trainer to build up a
yeah.
strong confidence. I taking live session and physical session to build how to build up a strong confidence. It's my main topic, and I love this topic.
Okay.
I suggest you,
Mm,
if we have some knowledge about any topic, we can build up a strong confidence. If we are
yeah.
doesn't know about any topic, we can't speak even a single word.
Yeah, I
So
think,
after
yeah.
practice, we should to be learn different things. If we learn
Mm,
some things, new things from different peoples, from different societies, from different countries, then we can speak in every in the front of people, in the front of public, in seminar, webinar, whatever else we can speak.
yeah. Yeah, absolutely. You are very right, because in our colleges and schools, especially in the government schools and
Yeah,
on marks,
absolutely right.
confidence to speak in public or some other, if you got job and you have to present your interview before the interview, so you have confidence. You should have.
Yes. My brother, my other question is that what did you want to become in future? What's your plan?
There are a lot of plans, but if life give me a chance, that I will prefer CSS
Inshallah,
exam.
life will give you a chance and you will get it.
CSS exam.
Yeah.
Preference is to become assistant commissioner, but things not happen if you all the wishes can be possible in your life.
But it's possible, brother. It's possible. You can do it.
Yeah, yeah,
Yes,
of course.
you can do it.
If I will work hard, then obviously I will get my feedback.
Yes, you can do it.
Yeah.
Or you have any suggestion about to build up a strong confidence towards people's public? Because some person have fears in their mind. If we made a mistake, even if we made a single mistake in people's, how people react to our mistakes, how
Uh,
we
uh,
can get rid from it.
Yeah, you are absolutely right. We have a fear about how people react on our mistakes. This is the main thing we have to eliminate from our personality. If we do that, then one by one we will build our confidence. Yeah, I haven't
Yeah.
confidence, but I'm suggesting the things because I'm not confident. If I talk in the class, I feel fear before the university. Obviously, in university, you have to build confidence because you have to present different topics in front of girls and boys. We haven't studied, especially our government students haven't studied co-education before that. So we have to face that, but side by side or one by one, we can eliminate these
Yes,
disorders in our personality. Okay.
absolutely right. Absolutely right. Yes, you are right.
Yeah.
Yes, nice suggestion. You are confident. Why you are asking, saying so? You are not confident. You are a confident boy.
Yeah, I'm
So
confident in making calls, but not in the class.
स्लो एंड स्टडी
Yeah.
जब आप कह सकते हैं कि जब आस्ता आस्ता आप करेंगे ना प्रैक्टिस यू कैन
Yeah.
मेक मोर प्रैक्टिस इफ
Hmm.
इमेजिन योर क्लास इज सिटिंग इन द बिहाइंड you can make more practice.
Hmm. Yeah, of course.
So one day will teach you can easily speak in the front of class. Even there is nobody react badly to your response to your presentation. Have you are the student of university.
Yeah.
You have to give presentation about
Yeah.
different topics. You have to speak about different topics. You have to debate about different topics.
Yeah.
There is
Debate
no
is also
negativity.
important. Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah,
Thank you.
there is no negativities if we are thinking some people how people react our mistakes. It's I think it's a negative accept from our. So we doesn't think so how people thinks about us. Leave it and keep it up your confidence.
Yeah, it's a very good suggestion, and people should do this.
Yeah.
Because confident is important in every field of life. If you haven't confident, then you will, what can I
Yeah,
say?
absolutely
Not
right.
important all the time.
Our professor said that
Yeah,
do a little but do it continually.
yeah,
Do a little but it consistency matter a lot. If we are not doing well in consistent pattern, then we are doing nothing. We have to effort a lot. about one thing, about our aim, about our ambitions, about our
Yeah,
future plan. Thanks
yeah.
so much for joining me.
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you.
What is your brother name?
My name is Haider Ali.
Heather Ali, can I use this video for my YouTube channel?
Yeah, of course you can.
Yes, thanks so much, brother.
So
Thanks so
I
much.
want to ask you that what's your YouTube channel name? I want to check that.
You have to just write my name, my Facebook name on YouTube. You will get it.
Okay, what's your name?
Naveed Hassan Kalo.
Okay.
You
Okay,
just type
thank
it on
you.
YouTube. Thanks so much,
Okay,
brother. Thanks so much for
thank
this.
you.
So, guys, today our topic of discussion how we can build up a strong confidence because it's not a one person problems. So I have to add some other person in my live streaming. How we can build up a strong confidence? It's I can't say anything about it because it's a matter a lot about our society. Hello, sir.
Hello,
Can you listen me?
hello. Yes, I am Dilip Ganguly from India. Can you
Yes.
hear me?
Yes, I am here. I am listening.
Okay, very fine, very fine. How are you?
I am fine. Sir, today my topic is that how we can build up a strong confidence. Are you have any suggestion about this?
Oh, yes, definitely. I will tell something about that, and I want to share my experience about confidence because building confidence is a must because without confidence we can't go ahead. So this is very
Yeah.
much important. But first of all, one thing should be taken into account that confidence should be there. Confidence should be there. And
Yes.
if you want to build your confidence, definitely you should be scare free. That means you should not fear. That means you should not get frightened. That you must have that much robustness, you must have that much, you must be straightforward to say something, to speak something, to do something. That means, but one thing should be there that if you want to have confidence, you must have considerable amount of knowledge, not considerable, more or less
Of course.
considerable amount
Of
of
course.
knowledge should be there. Without
All right. Of course.
considerable amount of knowledge, you can't be successful, or you can't get you can't get to your destination. So if you want to
Yes.
get to your destination, definitely confidence should be there. And one thing
Yes.
is there, that confidence is confidence is something, it always supplies inner strength, it always supplies us energy. I mean to say, that that confidence for that I want to speak English, but if I think that I have confidence enough to speak English, first of all I should be acquainted with the English culture. I should be acquainted with the I should be acquainted with the with English, uh, with anything related to English. So that's very
Yeah.
much necessary. That's very much necessary. Mm.
Wow. Thanks
So
so much, sir. You are very confident. You have so much knowledge about this.
don't don't
I
don't
I
don't
came.
think so. I have knowledge. Just I have gone through sharing my knowledge.
Of course, I taught many things from you. You are a knowledge person. You are confident guy. Thanks so much for joining me. So in your suggestion, we should to be attain some knowledge about our specific topic to speak in public, in seminars or whatever in we are speaking in that front of class or public. We should to be have some about some know-how about our topics, about our knowledge, so we can speak easily in the front of any person, whatever we are in standing in the class, in friends, in family, or whatever we are studying in the street. Okay, it's okay, sir.
Okay,
So
okay, okay. Okay, thanks a
thanks so
lot for
much for joining me, sir. I have
yeah,
one
yes,
question.
yes. So
Uh,
yes, yes, yes. Tell us.
uh, can I use your experience, your suggestion, this video for my YouTube channel? Can I use it?
Yes, definitely. Definitely, what comes to my knowledge or what comes to my notice, it's up to my satisfaction. It's up to my
So
satisfaction, and I'm pleased with you. Yes.
no, sir. I am saying it's a great information. It's improved me a lot of things.
Pardon again.
Sir, you shared a good information about how to build up a strong confidence. I am appreciating you or saying thanks you.
Okay, okay, thanks for giving me a platform here because I actually I am very much fond of speaking English. If I get someone in front of me speaking English, so my heart craves to speak with that very person. So I have got you, and little before I have got Sir Neeraj sir. You might have seen him. You might have, I don't know whether he came to your notice, but Neeraj sir, I was also talking with her, and uh, and actually it delighted me a lot. And the same thing it happens that you have come to
Yes,
my notice, and I am interacting, I am sharing, I am expressing, I am exchanging my views with you. I am really very much pleased with you.
yes, sir. Thanks so much. Thanks so much, sir. This video you can see at my YouTube channel. You have just write my name at my YouTube links. You have to write Naveed Hassan at YouTube. You will find this video. Thanks so much for
Oh,
giving your time. Thanks so
thanks a
much.
lot for giving a chance in YouTube. Okay,
Thanks so
okay,
much.
sir.
I will take your comments. Hello, sir. If anyone have any suggestion, because no one, it's my main topic. Yes, you can do it. No one can never be perfect. We are trying our best. Uh, there's another person to add in live session. One person is saying that महक what you are want to say जट्टां दा मुंडा इन्नी सोहनी अंग्रेजी कैसे बोल सकता है और भाई जट्टां दे मुंडे सिर्फ खेतीबाड़ी तो निकल के अंग्रेजी भी बोल सकते हैं यस वी कैन स्पीक इंग्लिश well yes we can let's today our main topic of discussion how we can build up a strong confidence towards people toward audience toward family because first of all our family doesn't satisfied from us they they can't believe we can speak english so first of all we should to be satisfied our parents and friend that we can speak so I have to add another person in my live streaming if they available. So if anyone want to be joined live streaming, just send to request live video.
Uh,
Hello, sir. Can you listen me?
Hello. Yes, sir.
Hello, sir. What is your name from where you are?
I'm from Bhutan, sir.
Hello, sir. Can you listen?
Hello, sir. I'm from Bhutan.
Yes. So, sir, our topic is that how we can improve our English language. So, drop it. Mac Gul is saying you always take my comments misconception. No, I am not taking your comments. It's I always see your comment as appreciating. Thanks so much, Mehak, for such nice comment. Because I don't say I doesn't like. I like your comment. Thanks so much for comment. Let's another person to add in live streaming. How we can speak English. So it's our live session. We can how we can build up a strong confidence towards English language. So it's international language. Everyone have to learn it. So what we are doing right now, if we are doing job, if we are studying, if we are doing nothing, we should to be try our best. We should to be try our best to learn English language, to learn whatever you doing right now. We should to be mm, try our best. Sir, are you teacher? No. Sir, I am also a intermediate position, but I want to become a teacher. Inshallah, in future I will become a teacher. Can I tell you something if you don't mind, Mac? Yes, you can say easily. You can tell me anything about my. I doesn't like it. You are criticizing me. I like it. If you appreciate me and suggest me anything, have to improve in my confidence. So I have to another person in my live streaming. So first of all, my first question is that my first suggestion is that if we want to be become a speaker in future, if we want to be a if we want to think that if we want to speak English, if we want to be speak English in the front of class, in the front of mirror, if we are speaking English in the front of mirror, we can speak English in the front of everyone. So if we are not trying our best right now, we can't speak English. So if we want to be speak English, then we are to try our best. Mehak, Jamil Lodi, my network is not working. So hello sir, you have again
Yes,
connect.
sir.
You
Yes,
are
yes, yes. Actually, I have got a request from you. So, did you make any request to me?
uh, I don't know sir. I don't know. Maybe.
This time, it's the topic is something different because first topic was confidence building, but now you are
Yes.
asking is something different. You are asking different question. So that's because I have come here.
Oh, so nice, sir. You can suggest me anything. So we are. I am asking about to build up a strong confidence towards English language.
No, yes, yes, you have asked me this question, and I have already exchanged my views. I have already expressed my views, but this time I have seen you asking some other questions. So that's because I have taken my stance here.
Yes. Yes.
Hmm. The how to speak English fluently. Just I was listening to you that how we can speak fluently, how we can talk to others fluently, how we can get our tongue sharpened, yeah, with respect to speaking English. So this kind of question you threw, you hurled to the viewers, to the Facebook viewers. So that's because I have taken my stance here.
Yes.
Am I clear to
Thanks.
you?
Yes. Yes. Why not? Thanks so much for again joining because no one near to join. So I will ask some question again from you. Uh, some people are asking. चलो, so I want to take some comments. I wanna join to discuss how to improve our English skills. Sir, how we can improve our English skills?
Yes, this is a very common question that everyone is very much interested in speaking English because English is such a mode of language. It plays the cardinal role or major role, or it plays the cardinal role throughout world to exchange our views, to communicate with others. So that's because it's very much necessary to improve our speaking, to improve our power of speaking in English. So for this very reason, one thing is there, that if we want to speak fluently, first of all, that we should be, we should be uh, sight free. That means a scare free. That means fearless. There should be a fearless mind. That means you are
Yes.
speaking in front of me, and if you don't have that much courage to speak, you will never be able to go ahead. So this is very much important to build confidence or to speak fluently with that person. And second, and another one is that we have to follow the newspaper. We have to follow the newspapers. We have to watch the movies. We have to watch the we have to watch the English news, or we have to read newspapers, short stories. So the more you will read, the better it is. So it's very much necessary. The more you will come into the practice of English, it will make you more and more fluent. So this is very much important. But one thing is there, that however much you watch the movies, you watch the English news, you read other things. First of all, a person should be very much practical in this world. That means I am reading this one, I am doing that one. But if you don't have that much courage to face a person, to confront a person, to come in close contact with a person, it's not possible to come into the practical field. So by reading, by watching, by seeing something, you must have to come to the practical field, so that your tongue gets sharpened for speaking English. So I think for speaking English, one should be very much practical. That you are very much practical. You are getting me, and I am getting you. So we both are exchanging views. This is very much important. And one thing, another thing is that no one should get scared. No one should get frightened to speak English. To speak English, whatever form it may come, but you have to go ahead. You have to go ahead. So you so it's very much necessary. This is one kind of language. This language that we a toddler. What happens with for a toddler? He first starts speaking dada, mama, papa, mom, just in a broken form, in a stammering form. A child starts learning in a stammering form, in a broken form, and with a lot of mistakes. With a lot of mistake, he starts speaking. That means I am telling about a child. So language is such a thing that with the rolling of time, with the passage of time, we will be able to be a fluent speaker. So definitely one should hold patience for this purpose. Once it will once a person will be a fluent speaker, or he will be a good speaker to exchange views with others, to come in close contact with others. I think so.
Wow, so much nice suggestion, sir. You are giving so much nice information and share your views. Are you a teacher?
Yes, I'm a teacher. Hmm.
Wow, I am thinking so. How
Hmm.
you can suggest so many things in single language. So nice to
Hmm.
meet you, sir.
Thank you.
Nice
You
to
are
meet
you
you.
are also you are also very good. You are also very fine, and you are looking very handsome. Your physique gives me a heartwarming sense. That gives me builds a heartwarming sense in my mind. Your physique. That means you are looking so nice. You are looking very handsome.
Thanks so much, sir. Thanks so much for nice appreciation. Thanks so much.
Okay, okay.
Uh,
Bye.
Thanks so much. Thanks so much for joining me.
Okay,
Thanks so much, sir.
okay.
So, guys, today our topic is that how we can improve our English language. Uh, yes, another persons are asking me to add Bhaskar Pandey. I will approve your request. If anyone want to suggest anything how we can improve our English language, uh, I should to take your commands. Mac is saying you should to be improve your grammar. Yes, I am needing. I have to need to improve my uh, English language. I have to need my improve my language. I have to need to improve my speaking power. I have to need to improve my confidence. So a lot of things I have to improve. So I am not saying that I am perfect. I am not saying that I am a teacher. So I am saying that I am a learner. I am a student. I have to learn some new things from you guys. I have to learn to new things from you peoples, from your brothers and sisters, how we can improve our English language. Because so many peoples are confused about making English language, about discussion in English language, about giving presentation in English language. So I just want to say, what's the fear in your mind? Are you anybody are forcing you? You can't do it. No one force you. No one is said that you can't do it. Yes, you can do it. First, say yourself you can do it. I have to add another person in my live streaming. If anyone interests to come in live streaming, you can join. Send me a request. I will approve it. You can be enter in my live streaming. Then you will suggest anything how we can improve our English language. I know very well it's not a one day process. It's not a one night process. So it's take a lot of time. So if we want to be improve our language, what are what are you doing right? It doesn't matter. We have to do it in every situation. So we should to be try our best to improve our English language. So basically this group is about how we can learn about English language. So I make a live session how to build up a strong confidence, because first thing that we have to need is our confidence. If we have not enough confidence the front of people, how we can speak English? If we are even a teacher, if we are even a teacher, we have not such confidence to speak in public, in seminars. What are we are doing right now? It doesn't matter. Just want to say it's for learning. If I made any mistake, people learn from it and will correct it. I will correct it. I will correct my mistake on. So if anyone want to be give any suggestion, can share your views in comments. I will discuss it. Can share your views in live session and send me. If you want to be join live session, send me a request. I will accept it. You will be add in live session. Suleiman Khan. So guys, our topic is how we can improve our English language, how we can build up a strong confidence towards people, because people are discouraging us, people disturb us. You can't do it, you can't do it, you can't do it. But we have to do it because we are born for that, that we have to do it. And you can do it. If another person can do it, you can also do it. And in every situation we have to do it. So let's another call. If anyone give any suggestion how we can improve our language, how we can improve our confidence towards English language, send me a call. I will accept your call and you will be in live session, live stream. Then we discuss about how we can improve our English language. Then let's another person to add my live stream. We will talk about how we can improve our English language. Thanks so much watching from India. Good speaking, Ali Ahmed. Thanks so much. for your nice appreciation. Umar Farooq, where are you from? I am from Pakistan. Yes. If you want to be joined live stream, send me request. I will accept your approve your request. Then you will add in my live stream and suggest people how we can improve our English language. When you will join, then I can discuss. Sir Pashkar Pandey, you can my live. Just send me a
How are
request.
you?
Hello, sir.
Yes, sir. How are you?
I am fine. How are you, brother?
Yeah, I'm good. But this I'm this is too much beginner. So this please your help me and any tips have please your give me.
Yes, I will
Any
help
asking
you.
question?
From where you are?
Yeah, obviously. Now I'm from Saudi Arab, live, but this my motherland is Bangladesh.
I think your network is go to head and giving some problems. Can you listen me?
No. Please, you're asking question. First time I'm not understand. So this again you're asking question.
Oh, it's okay. It's okay. No problem. So
Okay.
I will
Okay.
suggest you some things how we can improve our English language. Can you listen?
Yeah, yeah. Obviously, me are not a native speaker. Me too much beginner. So this any tips you are please give me. Any asking question. Example myself and this favorite food, daily life. Any asking question me.
Yes. First of all, describe yourself. What is your name?
My name is Khamruzzaman. Please you are called to the Jaman.
Javan. From where you are?
Yeah. I'm from to the Bangladesh. My village is Josor district near Mahakobi poet Mahakobi Michael Madhusudan Datta near my home. But this I am now live to the Saudi Arab LSAP Engineering Company, Riyadh or Diliben New. My job title is cam officer, cam boss. But this I am not perfectly talk to the English. So this please your tips me any item you are give me.
Yes, why not? I
Every
will
day.
share my experience, how we
Yeah.
can speak better English, how we can improve
Yeah.
our English language,
Yeah,
how
yeah,
we can improve our confidence
yeah,
level towards people, towards
yeah,
audience,
yeah,
towards anyone we are going to speak English.
yeah,
Are you a
yeah,
student?
obviously. No, already I'm job holder. My job designation is cam officer, cam boss. But this
Yes,
I am understands to the Urdu and Hindi and this Arabic language, but this too much not understands to the English. So this now I am learn start to the English. You are
yes,
got
good.
it?
Yes, I
Yeah.
got it. You will do it. Yes, you will do it, inshallah. First of all,
Yeah,
you
yeah.
have to do some practice.
Yeah, obviously right. But this not have my partnership, so this very confident different problem. So this
So
my partner.
you
You are
can
asking
send
question.
you can make a video call with me. I will suggest to
Yeah,
how we can improve our
yeah,
English language. First of all, I would
obviously.
like to say that if you want to improve your English language, you have to
Yo,
just speak with yourself. You
okay,
have to
okay.
speak in the front of mirrors, because
Yeah,
no another body in the front of
yeah,
mirror. You are only one.
yeah,
And
yeah,
ask some question from you and give answer
yeah,
from your side in the front of
yeah,
mirrors. So mirror is
yeah,
your partner to speak
yeah,
English.
yeah,
You can
yeah.
speak English with mirrors.
Okay, okay. I'm asking question. Please, you are answer me. What is your name, dear sir?
My name is Naveed Hassan.
Where are you from?
I am from Pakistan.
Pakistan. Are you a student?
Yes, I am a student.
Okay. What is your subject?
I am a student of graduate. My subject is food technology.
Food technology, right?
Yes.
this bachelor course, 4 years bachelor course, right?
Yes, yes, it's bachelor course.
Okay, okay. What is your future plan, my dear sir?
My future plan is to become a motivational speaker.
Oh, obviously. Wonderful. Okay. Okay. Now we are not to the job holder.
Yeah, no,
Yeah.
I am not saying so that I am doing also a job.
Okay, okay. Um, how much your father? How much your brothers and sisters?
Mm, so I don't give answer on
No, no,
that
no, no. I'm
because it's
asking.
my personal question. I don't like to
Yeah, yeah.
share this question because so many people
Okay,
are
okay, okay.
watching me.
Okay, okay, no problem. I don't talk you a personal question. This doesn't
Yes,
matter. I'm sorry, really, really sorry. I'm already
it's
asking
okay.
personal question. Okay. Okay, another question. Um,
You can ask
yeah,
me a
you're like,
question. How? Yes,
yeah,
ask me.
yeah.
Yes, you can ask.
Okay. You like to the cricket? You like to the sports?
Yes, I like cricket. I like
Why
sports.
you are
Yes,
like to the? Why you are like to the sports?
because in sports our fitness is maintained. You can see
Yeah, obviously.
my physique is
Yeah,
also maintained.
yeah, 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 obviously.
You can see.
Yeah.
So we
Oh,
should to
okay.
be give our time to sports because our mental health and physical health should to be maintained in this regards. So
Yeah, yeah,
in if you are thinking our mental health should to be improved if we are practice, if we are relax ourselves, we have nicely
yeah,
done everything from anything.
yeah,
Are
yeah.
you have any question more, sir?
Yeah, obviously, question, too much question have, but this maybe time is 7:54, but this question is start not have not this time have. This time is finished, but this question not finished. Okay, again, next question. What is your, no, no, you're like to the sports, okay? Who is your favorite player?
My favorite player from Pakistan side is Kamran Akmal. You know about Kamran Akmal and
Kamran.
Shahid Afridi?
Yeah, obviously I know this Shahid Afridi and this Kamran Akbar. I know. So I am always time see to the cricket. I am too much like to the cricket. I am too much love to the cricket. But this one team inside maybe 11 sportsmen, but this always people may are not understands name, not mind keep to the name. This some people name I understands, I keep to the mind. But this 12 people, 11 people not understands to name. But this Shahid Afridi, this very favorite failure. I'm Thomas like.
So thanks so much, sir, joining. So if you have any suggestion how we can improve our English language, you can suggest people because this is our main topics. Our main topic is not
Yeah,
about sports, not about
yeah,
players. Our about
yeah, yeah,
discussion about how we can improve English language, how
yeah,
we can build
yeah,
up strong confidence towards English. Can you suggest
yeah, yeah.
anything?
Suggest, not suggest. I am need to the help because I am beginner, not this native speaker, not fluency, not good. So this please you are every day. Any tips give me after my improve the skill. So this your are you have every day your time have.
So in every day I can't give time.
Yeah,
If we have to
yeah,
improve
yeah,
our English, I will suggest you. I already have suggestion and talk to the mirrors.
yeah,
Do practice a lot
yeah,
as
yeah.
you can. If you give your
Okay, okay,
time to practice, you can speak English in the front of people,
yeah.
in the front of your
Okay, okay,
boss, in the
okay,
front of
okay,
your
okay,
family.
boss. Okay, this name is Miraj.
Yes,
Website name is Miraj.
yes, mirror.
May I not got it. Please again you try. Website name is Miraj.
You know about mirror? What is mirror? Glass mirror. You know
Hello?
about glass mirror? Can you listen?
Yeah, yeah, me are not to the hear your sound. Please, your again. Mirror. Website name is Mirror.
Mirror. I am asking you mirror. Mirror. Glass
Okay,
mirror.
please, your dear. Okay, please, your told spelling. Yeah, may.
You can practice yourself on yourself. Talk to your own self. How you can speak with your
Okay,
own self. Whatever you are doing
okay,
right
okay.
now, it doesn't matter. What you are
Yeah,
going to do in future, you
yeah,
have to talk with
yeah.
yourself. You have to practice
Okay, okay.
with yourself.
Yeah,
So if
yeah,
you are doing practice with yourself, you can improve our
yeah,
English. Then you have to
yeah.
practice with your close friend. If you have any your close
Okay,
friend,
okay.
you can practice with herself, with himself. Okay? Are you got it?
Okay, okay. Thank you. Okay, yeah, me I got it. Okay, thank you very much.
Thanks so much for joining me. Can I
Good day.
use this video? Can I use this video for my YouTube channel?
Okay, okay. Thank you very much. Okay, see you tomorrow. Now, etc. etc. Okay, thank you very much.
Thanks so much. Thanks so much. So, Bhaskar, what are you saying? If I think you should also add me so that I can give suggestion related to speaking English. This is I am saying that you can join me. You are not joining me. What is the reason? I don't. You understand? Neither you can sing. So, Pascal, I will try again. You add. If I will add you, there is no option regarding you. You have to go your setting and check your setting how we can add you peoples. I am your friend. Join me. Yes, I will join you. Pascal is not coming. There is no request regarding Pascal, so I can't join you. Send me a request so can I join you. So guys, today our topic is that how we can build up a strong confidence towards English language because it's our basic necessity to improve our language, to improve our thinking, to improve our mental suggestion. So how we can improve our English language? It's our main question. Today our discussion about is that how we can improve our English language. So I have to add some persons. Pashkar Pandey, you can't add. Why you can't add, sir? Are you have any issue from side? Hello, sir.
Hello,
How
my
are you?
friend. How are you?
I am fine. How are you?
Fine, and you?
We are again
I
meet
feel
to each
I
other.
saw yeah, I saw that you are today also online. That's why I try to connect with you.
Yeah, thanks so
How is
much
everything?
again joining me.
Ah, yeah.
So
So,
what's about the
say
day?
something. Yeah, fine, Alhamdulillah. And you?
Also, Alhamdulillah. So today our topic is different from yesterday. So today our topic
Okay.
how we can build up a strong confidence. So our topic is about confidence. Today our topic
Confidence.
yesterday yesterday our
I
topic is
have less
about
confidence.
English language.
I have less confidence. I am a less confident person. It is very difficult for me.
But you have to build up.
Okay. Inshallah.
Yes, you can
Okay.
do it.
First, I want to say something. I listen and I watch that you say with someone that can I post this video in YouTube channel.
Yes, I will post.
So I request you that please don't post my video, previous video or this video on YouTube.
It's okay. I can
That
post. It's
the
okay, no
the
problem.
main reason the main reason actually I want to talk to you about this topic. You don't please don't um add my videos on YouTube channel.
So if let's consider if I post it, what's happened? What's the fear
Uh,
in your mind? Why you are
uh,
stressed less about this? Why you are feeling
because
stressed, depressed?
because I feel I am a not good speaker.
So I am not saying that I am a good speaker. No one is saying he is or she is good speaker. No, it's your fear in your mind from people.
Mhm,
It's
mhm.
a fear in your mind from public. If I will post it, how people can react? People say
Yeah.
how it's negative thinking. It's a bad speaker. No, it doesn't matter. Leave it up.
Yeah.
Remove the stress of people in your mind. Remove the depression of people in your mind.
Yeah.
So, what would you like to say about this? If we have, we should to be fear. We should to be have fear.
Sorry?
You want to be say we should to be live in depression.
It may be,
So,
it may be.
thanks so much again joining me. I doesn't post it, so it's okay. No problem. Be
Thank
relaxed.
you.
Thanks so much for joining. Thanks so much.
Anything else do you want to share with me?
Thanks so much. I have to another person add in my live streaming if they are available. So, Pashkar, brother, maybe it's a problem from your side. You can't add in my live streaming. I send it. I am your friend. Join me. Check your. So you maybe have some issue from your side, so that you can't add. So, brother, send me a request, a link coming in comment section. A link is coming in comment section that request to join live stream. If you send it, you will be joined by live stream. So our important topic of discussion today, how we can improve our English language, how we can build up a strong confidence to English language. So these are the main topic of discussion today. If anyone give me any suggestion how we can improve our English language, you can share your views, share your suggestion, share your views. So you guys, you can share your views how we can improve our English language. So I am going to add another person in my live streaming. If they available, they will discuss how we can improve our English language. So if you have any question, you will send it in comment section. I will be answered when I am free. If you have any queries about how we can improve our English language, how we can build up a strong confidence towards English, how we can react people, how we can face negative people, how we can get it from depression, how we can get it from fears, how we can get it from people negative talks. If you have some question like that, suggest me or ask me. If you have to ask, I will answer. If you have to suggest, I will be act upon it. Thanks so much joining. Thanks so much again joining me. Thanks so much.